Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another episode on my channel, or welcome to an episode on my channel. It is your favorite girl, the one and only Nakaijima. And as you read in the title and seen in the thumbnail, today we are going to be making some hot honey chicken tenders and some mashed potatoes. So if you are new here and you're like what are you? You're not new here. You've been here. If you've been here, you know that I haven't posted in like 4 weeks. And the reason I haven't posted in 4 weeks is because I've been busy working, but then I also have been doing nothing. And all the stuff I have been doing, it's been like family things, family time. And I felt like I should just like enjoy that moment instead of focusing on recording and getting out good content. And I just wanted to live in the moment, enjoy the moment. And that's why I haven't uploaded anything. I ended up recording a Shein haul, but I didn't like it. I didn't like the video, so I didn't post it. And if I'm gonna post a video, I want to put my best foot forward. I want to put my best foot forward. I want to do the best for y'all, basically. And I didn't like that video, and I just didn't want to post a video to have a video posted. I wanted to be good quality. I want to be good content. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I didn't post it. And I also bought a little microphone from Shein, but I don't like how it sounds. So that's another reason why I didn't post it. And I also didn't feel like re-recording the Shein video because I end up wearing some of the stuff. It just was a lot going on, so it just made sense for me not to do it. But like I said, today we are going to be making some chicken tenders and some hot honey chicken tenders. I got my hair done, guys. I got it done yesterday. Look at oh my god, I am so in love with the curls. Like, my best friend did these. I am so in love with the curls. I'm so in love with it. And also, let me show you my outfit. Okay, let's take time to appreciate. I know I'm blabbering, but I'm still waiting for some more ingredients. So, hold your horses, okay? But like I said, let's take time to appreciate how cute my outfit is, okay? I'm gonna put my shoes on so you can get the whole, you can get every piece of it. Okay, I got my sambas. Like, I got a red shirt on. It has red things on it. Okay, so I put my shoes on, put my glasses on because I can't see that far, so I kind of can't see what I can see. So this is the outfit, guys. I'm so in love with the outfit. Okay, let me get the bag. Let me get the bag, okay? Look how long the braids are. It's like, it's so long and pretty. And then they got the slit in the back. I'm so in love with this outfit. My mom bought me this outfit, and recently I have been wanting to expand my wardrobe and expand, my style, but I have been a little scared to step out of my comfort zone, which is like baggier clothes, more tomboyish clothes. I still love that style, but I have been wanting to expand my style, like I said. And I feel like this is the perfect example of the type of style that I want to add to my style. I feel like this is so girly, especially the braids. Like, the braids just make the outfit like whole. It makes it done. But yeah, it's so cute. I feel like I'm pretty sure you know the songwriter Tyler, and she makes the song Make Me Wet, Make Me Harder, Baby Move My. I feel like this is kind of like giving the aesthetic that she wears, and I'm in love with it. So yeah, it's so cute, right?
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just manage the drama, unless you come in with that drama. Oh, DJ, turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up.
This is definitely, when I go shopping, like this type of style, I'm definitely going to be looking for. I'm going to insert a picture of a person that I look up to when it comes to this type of style that I want to wear. It's her. I do not know her name. I know she always called her brother ugly and annoying, and yeah, but she is definitely a person that I look up to when it comes to this style. So yeah, do y'all like it? What do y'all rate this style? Do y'all like it? Would y'all wear it? What do y'all think? What's your opinion? You know? So yeah. You know the person that be like, any opinion? Wait, what'd you say? You be like, anyone got opinions? I don't care. But if you have something mean to say, then I don't care about your opinion. But if you want to compliment my outfit, I care about your opinion. Okay?
I'll be your peace. I'll be your peace. Your teeth. Study my brain. Put me on the wall.
So in the meantime, while I wait for the other ingredients to come, we're gonna start preparing, you know, get into the video. So I already have everything already laid out right here, all the ingredients. Well, like all the other ingredients. But let's start. Okay, so first we're gonna wash off the chicken. That's why I have y'all positioned over here. Let's get a bowl. I'm gonna get this one because the chicken tenders is not that many, so we don't need to have the biggest bowl. And this is the mashed potatoes we're gonna be using today. I hope this is enough because it's for me and my. Well, actually, hold up, guys. Hold up. Okay, guys. So I took the ring light off because it's hurting my eyes, and yeah, I don't care for it. But I called my grandfather to let him know to get another mashed potatoes because I don't think this is gonna be enough for 4 people. So yeah, I'm getting some water for the chicken to clean the chicken off. Okay, that's enough water. I'm gonna get a fork just to see if, because you know when people like put the fork in the middle to get like something out of the middle, like you see like that white stuff right there, like that's what I'm gonna use the fork for to get it out. And I also have to look for some vinegar to clean the chicken off. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I really don't know how to do this, honestly. I know I seen my uncle do this, but I don't remember how he did it. Let's put the other way or something. I don't know how to do this. I'm about to cut it in half and call it a day. Like cut it out. So, I don't know. Okay, I think I'm gonna just put it in, and then I'm gonna cut the chickens in half to get that white piece out, because I don't know how to do it with a fork. Oh yeah. Okay, and also make sure while you're cooking you also clean but wash your hands, because having a big mess to clean up after cooking be the worst. The vinegar is actually not open. It must be open though. Okay, I think that's temporary. I think that's good. And as y'all seen in my last YouTube video, my last cooking YouTube video, I use my hands and I wash my hands before I started to record. So yeah, hold on. I'm gonna try again if I can get this out. I don't know how to though. How do you do this? I know it was like my uncle was doing it. I remember him pushing down on the chicken, but like how the freak? How do you even do that? Can't even grip it. How the hell do we even do this? guys, I think, oh, I did it. Period. I did it. I did it. I did it. Okay. Okay. I did it. I ate that up. Period. I got a little ghetto, guys. Sorry. I got a little excited. Okay, it's gonna take me a couple tries because this is, it's hard to grip. So what I'm waiting for is some cayenne pepper, some buttermilk, some more mashed potatoes. Okay guys, I did all of them. I'm gonna throw these little pieces in the garbage. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just start cutting them off now. Damn, the chicken is kind of like falling apart, so. Well, it's not falling apart, but it's like, I don't think I did this one. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You fucking warm with my heart, didn't think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. That's what I wanna drown. I need it. Let's go to the cutting board. Bring us our cutting board. A little handy dandy knife.
Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you've been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you've been too tight. No place to unknown defense. You don't need to make that your own defense. No kid, money, these grown men.
Got all of it cut. All right, on to the next. So hold on, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be right back, guys. I'm gonna go look at the ingredients and steps and everything. Okay guys, so it told me to marinate the chicken tenders in 1 cup of buttermilk and 1.5 cup of hot sauce. So in the meantime, while we wait for the buttermilk to come, we got some hot sauce. She used Frank's hot sauce, I think it was called, and I got some I got some Red Devil hot sauce. But it's still hot sauce though, you know? What if I don't like the Frank one? So hopefully it's okay. She also said to put cayenne pepper.
It's his fault and you need to fall back.
Okay guys, so we have our buttermilk. We got our buttermilk. Open it.
Was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. 2 week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide.
So now I'm gonna put the chickens in here.
Want me to turn this down? It's too loud?
Do you suffer
Yeah, turn down a little bit.
severe body parts?
Now they're secure.
RuneScape's actively reduces body parts.
Okay, so I'm putting all the chickens in here because it said like the chicken marinate, so you gotta see in here. So this is a little too messy for me to get down and dirty and put my hands in it, so you're gonna use a fork. Okay, we're gonna let this marinate, and then we're going to get out the flour and put the seasoning in the flour. Okay, so while we wait for the chicken to marinate, we are going to put some flour on the plate with some seasoning in it. So this is the flour I'm gonna be using. Flour.
Full crate.
Okay, so the third step we have to do is make some more of this, the sauce that's there, make it here. So I already put the fire on. It's no oil in it because I don't want it to be too hot, but already put the fire on. So now it's time to prepare the chicken. Like, I'm a little sick, guys. I'm a little sick. I got cold and rain 2 days in a row. It's catching up with me, alright? So not too much on me, unless y'all want to fight. I'm sorry, I don't want to fight. But from here to here to here to here to here. All right. So this way, this way, this way, and then back here, and then into the pan. So I'm gonna pour some oil in the pan. Matter of fact. Yeah, I have it on 3. Okay, so let's pour some oil. Okay, so back over here. Extra chicken. Let me get another plate. So here, 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 and here, 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 there, to the stove, there, all right.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna put some more flour. Nothing. Put some more flour.
How I feel about you, think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish doing this process. I'm gonna come back to y'all once I put the chicken on the fire, because this is taking a little minute. Guys, so I just finished doing all that stuff with the chicken. I actually forgot to put one egg in it, and I forgot to use this, which this was optional, but I did take it out because I wanted to use it, but it is okay. And that was okay, but the oil, it seems like it's like doing good. I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. I gotta sneeze, but it's not coming. Okay, so this piece.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you?
I'm gonna get another plate. I'm gonna get another plate. Just when the stuff is ready. Okay, so wow. The chicken is frying and the water is boiling. I'm going to make the hot and honey sauce for the chicken. Just using one half cup of butter, which I'm not really gonna follow the instructions. I'm just gonna take how much butter I want. Okay. I mean, I'm not gonna follow the measurements. I'm just gonna take however much I want to take, and I'm using this bowl. I think this is enough of butter, and if we need more, then we'll just make more. Okay, so now for the honey, and then a little bit of hot sauce, because it's actually not that much hot sauce like I showed y'all. Well, when I tell y'all, when I was younger, about like during like COVID time, I used to literally eat honey on a spoon. Like I used to get a honey and then get a spoon and just eat the honey on a spoon. Okay, so I'm gonna make the honey flips upside down so all of it could be at the bottom. I just turned that up for the mashed potatoes. Okay, back to the honey. Okay, and it said to add the hot sauce. So this is all the hot sauce that we have. So we're gonna make it do. So I'm actually gonna put this in the microwave so the butter can melt. Hopefully the honey gets some more like because the honey is pretty thick. Hopefully the honey gets more like smoother because it's melted. Alright, so this is what it looked like. That's what it looked like. I'm gonna throw this in my garbage. I'll put it in the microwave for about 30 minutes.
Original, you were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back? Knew what
I just took the honey stuff out of the microwave. At least I'm gonna continue to mix mine a little bit. Grandpa, can you look at the chicken? Is it done? Okay, so the chicken is officially done. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Now, don't be sorry to help drain the juice, the grease up.
Pretty good. Alright, so now we're gonna add the other ones.
To be in love, now you like it for Cupid. Had to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watch you real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. No place to unknown friends. You don't need to make by your own plans. Don't keep money, these grown men. How do we come up, they sleeping? Pussy so good, gotta sleep. Watch your back at knees. Never get enough, never get enough.
Y'all see it splashing? It's splashing. That thing is hot as hell. Splash me. Turn off, man. It's burning me. That thing splashed me. I was gonna say mix thoroughly and it keeps splashing. Okay guys, so you see it's a little big mess, but all of this is cleanable, it's fixable, so it's okay. Keep mixing this up. Can I put some more honey? So it could be like a little bit more. But I'm not gonna pour this on until all the chicken is done. Oop. Because yeah. I don't know how bad I want to just like stick my tongue right there. All right. This one's just gonna be mine, okay? I'll be like, yeah, you said it was cool. Damn, read it. That was hot. Okay, I'm gonna let my grandfather rate the food because my grandfather not gonna lie to me, okay? Maybe I think it's too much mashed potatoes. But you know what? Oh well. Okay. Oh well. I'm gonna take some off my plate and give some to him. Take a while. Hey guys, so I just took all the chicken out of the chicken off of the stove. Okay, so since I poured it on, I'm gonna make the plates and then I will like jizzle the sauce back on top of it. This piece, so this one ain't got that much sauce. I'm gonna close this plate instead of this plate. I don't know, I feel like for a little bit. I probably got enough sauce on it. I gotta see me pouring it because it does look good, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, it looks good. It looks good. Okay, so this is the finished product. Let's take a picture. Oh yeah, it's the finished product. Okay guys, so the video's not over yet. We gotta eat it. Look at my grandfather eat it. Grandpa, come. Okay, it's your time. Okay, it's your time to eat the plate. It's your time to eat it. You gotta eat it right here, just a little bit.
Eat in front of people.
Yeah, so that give your honest opinion on how you think it is. it spicy?
No, it's actually not. I taste the spiciness of the food. And the potato is very creamy. Look at this. Oh, I feel a little spice now. Yes. Very good. Very good.
Okay, guys, he said it's very good. Period. I ate that up. Okay, my plate look a little wonky, but oh well. You gotta cater to the people you serving. I don't know why this freaking pot can't do it. I turned it off. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you come back for more videos of me. And thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. Okay. Bye.